How do you turn an online course into a coaching pipeline? Here's the model that works. Here's the core insight. Students who complete your course already trust you and have demonstrated commitment. Selling coaching to them is far easier than selling to cold leads. The course becomes your top of funnel, high-volume entry that demonstrates your work, and coaching becomes the high-ticket back-end. 6 ways this plays out in practice. 1. Free or low-cost course as the entry point. 2. Coaching upsell at completion, where students who finish get an offer. 3. Cohort program with optional one-on-one add-ons. 4. A clear ladder from course to group coaching to high-ticket consulting. 5. Done-for-you services for graduates who want results without doing the work themselves. 6. A membership community for ongoing access between programs. Pick the model that matches what your students actually need next, not what's most profitable on paper. For each of the 6 models in detail, how to price the upsell, and how to position the offer without feeling pushy. Links in the description.